This is a busy episode. We need a new intro editor. Do it. Let's go.
Bonjour.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Avengers. Today we are going to make chicken cheese pizza. The ingredients are flour, cheese, chicken. That's all. First, I'm going to wear my gloves and making. Yes, John. Good job everyone. Making flour and these to making. Oil making this to making Saviour, and now I'm making that to making pizza, and now to making and Saviour. Wow! Extra amazing! Today, we have sauce for making. To making oil. use a fork to making pizza sauce. Hello there. To making good job everyone, pizza making fun. Making potato oven to bake and pizza. Baking pizza is ready.
Meanwhile,
Hi everyone, this is your new segment. We are going to read comments. I'm glad to see him improving a lot day by day, and I really enjoy his cooking videos. Thank you, Tanya Fenny. Very happy to see him cooking so well. Thank you, Amy Margaret. Very good. God bless you. Keep it out. Thank you, Kanapaya. Thank you for 4 hearts. Moinaka. I will meet you after pizza is ready. Now it's tasty time. Homemade recipes to making and the recipes, pizza recipes to making Fanta to making and making Fanta. Very tasty. How guys enjoy for now? Guys enjoy. Here are CDF Days Special Kitchen Averages, new episodes. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Thank you for YouTube channel. See you again soon. It's our Days Special Kitchen Averages. Till next.
Okay, now.
easy. Today, we have sauce for making. Microbus. Good job, Ivan.
What the hell is even that?
Put tea flour and making. Microbus.
Oh, roti.
Dennis. Hi. Hi.
Mario Ball. And making. And making pizza to make it hot. Pizza hot. To make it in the kitchen, every just making sound. Good job, everyone. Now because make every nice job, you know. It's same thing that we did just the kitchen, every just making this. To make it sound. Italian pizza.
Pizza. Pizza.
To make it
Pizza.
to make it Italian. And now, to making pizza sauce. Beautiful. To making